Hey there, my name is Tobin, and I'm an MSP consultant at ProVal Technologies. Over the next several videos, we'll be performing a deep dive into policy objects and how they can be configured to facilitate automation within your environment. In our VSA Basics series, we introduce you to the concept of policies and how objects can be configured to automate endpoint settings within the VSA. If you need a refresher on this, you can find it in our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the remote control object. The remote control policy object allows you to configure how a machine will respond to remote control requests. This object can be configured for global use or set up for specific orgs, machine groups, OS types, etc. The primary options for remote control are silently take control. This option allows you to remote into the machine with no notification to the end user. If user logged in, display alert. This option will display a prompt to the end user with a message that you can customize to your needs. Ask permission, approve if no user logged in. This option requires the user to approve remote control if the user is logged in. And finally, require permission, deny if no user logged in. This option requires the user to approve remote control regardless of user status. Both permission options have their own prompt and can be customized to your business's needs. A couple other options we have here. Notify user when session terminates will inform the end user that the technician has ended the remote control session. Require admin note to start will prompt a text box that your technicians can use to provide information on why they are connecting to the machine. This prompt occurs before connection is established. I recommend using this feature and entering the ticket number associated with the reason you are logging in. Record all shared remote control sessions. This will record sessions for later review. While not commonly used, it may be a useful feature to review sessions for a new or trial employee or for specific customers and compliance needs. One-click access is a feature that can be used to allow a technician to access the machine without knowing the user or local admin account for the machine. Selecting one-click access in Quick View or Live Connect will create an account named Kaseya admin in the local admin group if not already present, with a randomized password that cannot be reviewed. Each time a technician uses one-click access, the password will be randomized. When connecting with one-click access, you will be asked if you want to disable RDP on the machine temporarily or permanently. The Disable Permanent option will prevent this prompt from occurring each time and will default to temporary. And finally, Disable Remote Control File Transfer prevents files to or from the machine using remote control. And that concludes our discussion on the remote control objects. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Let us know what else you'd like to see.